Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering your Beats Flex and preparing your phone. First, charge the buds for at least 10 minutes so they'll power on reliably, then unlock your phone and open Bluetooth settings. Once done, make sure the Beats Flex are within 3 meters and either open the case or press and hold the power button to trigger pairing mode. You'll see the indicator blink. Tap the Beats Flex name on your phone. This immediate pairing step gets you from 0 to connected quickly and predictably. Now that you're connected, learn the controls so you can use the Beats Flex without fumbling. You'll play or pause with single multifunction taps and skip tracks with double or triple presses. Practice the rhythm so it becomes second nature. Once you're comfortable, switch devices by selecting Beats Flex in the other device's Bluetooth settings. Some phones will auto-prioritize the last active source. Adjust volume using the inline remote. To monitor battery, glance at the phone's widget or ask Siri or Google for the percent left. To finish, treat your Beats Flex like precision gear so they keep working. After use, store them in the case and avoid moisture or extreme heat, which shortens battery life. Perform firmware updates when prompted to gain bug fixes and better connectivity. If you encounter dropouts or pairing failures, reset the buds by holding the power and volume buttons for around 10 seconds, then repair. If problems persist, try charging fully and repeating the reset. This simple troubleshooting step resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.